Good afternoon, students. Today we will start the energy flow in the ecosystem. As you know, energy flow, the source of energy in the ecosystem, that is the solar energy. So solar energy that is trapped by the producer. Producer means those are the green plants and cyanobacteria. Those are the producer that traps the solar energy, by which the solar energy during the photosynthesis, the solar energy that is trapped inside the body of the producer. When the producer that is eaten by the primary consumer, primary consumer means they are all that is herbivorous individual. So herbivorous individual directly eat the producer, means the green plant and cyanobacteria. So 10% of the producer's energy converts to that transfer into the primary consumer's body. Now primary consumers eaten by the secondary consumers, they are all the carnivorous. The secondary consumer, they also get 10% energy of the primary consumer. Now secondary is eaten by the tertiary or the highest consumer, they also get the 10%. That means what we are getting in the entire 10% of the energy from producer to primary consumer, 10% primary consumer to secondary consumer, secondary to tertiary consumer, everywhere the 10% of the energy is transferred. That means everywhere, if you will see, from producer to primary consumer getting the maximum energy, and tertiary consumer, it is getting the less amount of the producer's energy. Clear? So this is the energy flow in the ecosystem. Now you will see the decomposer. What they do? The complex material that converts to the simple. How it is? After the death of the producer, primary, secondary, tertiary, these all consumers, the decomposer, they decomposes their body, and the individual body is the complex structure. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, different types of the complex structure is found. By decomposing, the complex structure converts to the simple form, and the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, calcium, magnesium in the simple form mix in the environment, and the environmental balance is maintained. By this way, the energy is flowed into the different levels. This producer, primary, secondary, tertiary, these you are seeing, these levels are called the trophic levels. So by this method the energy is flowed, that you have to remind.